Hey everyone, welcome to our Flutter channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Flutter without Android Studio. And if you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this video will be a step-by-step guide to help to start with Flutter. Yeah, let's dive in. Yes, our first step is to install Flutter SDK, and to install Flutter SDK, we need to head over to any browser. I'm choosing Google Chrome. Go to your window, open Chrome and search for Flutter installation. You will find so many options. Here you need to click on Windows Install. First, mainly you will find system requirements. Just check these 3 points and check your system these conditions or suits or not. Okay, then in down you will find one button, Flutter Windows. Just click on this. This automatically get downloaded in the bottom. We need to wait for at least a minute. After this, click on here, click on show in folder, and it will take you to the Explorer. And here you need to unzip this file. Extract all to the same location. It's getting extracted. So we need to go to this folder and then we need to copy this particular folder. Copy or cut. I'm cutting this folder and you need to go to C drive and here you need to create another folder. Which source? SRC. Okay, then inside the source you need to paste that particular folder. As per the documentation, we have set up the location. Then we need to set up the path with the bin folder. Okay, first you need to go to that location and you need to go to the bin folder. You need to copy the path. Then you need to find environment variable. Okay, here you need to create environment path by clicking the environment variable button. Here in path, just click edit, click new and paste this location and click OK, and then last OK. Then close this one and open your command prompts or PowerShell. In your command prompt, just search for Flutter Doctor. Yes. So this will run according to the environment variables path. Okay, so you make sure the path is correct. It will take some minutes according to the system. Okay. See, everything is set it up. Okay, if we are having 2 errors, this Visual Studio is not needed for us because we will not create a Windows application, and the Android toolchain is very important. We need to set up that without Android Studio. Go to the Chrome, search for Android Studio. Go to the first site. Here you will find Android Studio installation link. In down you will find command line 2. Yes, this one. This will be a zip folder. We need to download this one. Go to the location. Unzip the folder. This totally get extracted. Go inside it. You will find some folder. but the path should be like we need to create another folder, naming it as latest. Okay, then every folder should be inside it. Okay, the path should be a command line tool, latest, and then the bin folder. Okay, here you need to copy this command line tool or cut. Go to the C drive. Again, you need to create another folder, Android. Here you need to paste that command line tool folder. Yes, we successfully did second step. Then the next step, here we have so many batch files. Here, remove this and type cmd, which will bring the command prompt in front of the same location. Okay, then here you need to type SDK manager, which will be the same spelling of this one, SDK manager. Okay, space, in brackets you need to type platform tools. And then you need to separately download platforms, then the Android version. You need to find what is the latest Android version. Android SDK version. Here we will find so many things. I'm go for 33. Okay, close this one. Type 33 and click enter. So we haven't set a Java home. So we need to set up Java home. Okay, so go for Chrome. Search for Java JDK 11. Okay, go for the Oracle site. By double clicking this one, you will get a pop-up. Okay, this is about Java installation. Click on next, and within a few minutes the Java installation was ended up. It's still installing. At least we need to wait for a minute according to your system. Click on close. Now go to your C folder, your program files, and here you will find Java and then JDK 11 and bin folder. Copy this path and go to the environment variable again and click on environment variables, and inside this you need to click on new. Okay, here you need to name it as Java in total capital, Java_home, and here you need to paste that link. Okay, without bin. Click on OK, then go to this path and click on new and type %Java home with the same spelling, Java_home %/bin. Okay, this should be small letter according to the location name. Okay, then click on OK. Now you need to open your command prompt cmd Then here you need to type echo percentage java underscore home percentage. So we are getting our location correctly. So the Java installation is correctly set it up. Okay, then the next step is to go again to the command prompt with the SDK location, C drive, Android, command line tool, latest bin. Okay, here cmd. Here you need to type SDK manager with a small letter, space, platform tools, then platform under the quotation. Kindly remember it. Platform semicolon Android 33. Close this quotation and click enter. So it will really take a few minutes. Okay, we need to wait until. So what went wrong? We have missed with the platform. This is platforms. Okay, so go there and I put S and click enter. Type Y, which means S. Accept everything. It's installed. Okay, you need to go to the command line, latest bin. Yeah, here you will find platform and platform tools. Okay, go to the platform tools and select the location, and you need to put the location in environment variable path. Environment variable, click on path, click on new, not edit, new. Just set the platforms tool path, and also you need to set the platforms path. I think that is not needed. Okay, platforms tools is enough. Click on new. So everything is set it up correctly. Then close this one. Again open command prompt and type for Flutter space doctor. Okay, everything is set it up. We need to set up Android home. Okay, here open your environment variable, new, Android underscore home, and inside this you need to pass C drive and Android folder. Okay, C drive and Android folder. That is enough. Just pass this one, click on OK, then close this one, close the command prompt. Every time you need to reopen the command prompt, you should not use the same. Okay, so type here for Flutter doctor again. Again, it's showing up the same error. Okay, for this, go to the Android location, C drive, Android, command line tool, latest bin. Okay, type on CMD, and again we need to type SDK manager. Here we need to type build tools. Build tools, comma, the latest version. Think, just a moment. Just type SDK manager, build tools, semicolon, and the latest version. Click on enter. We have misspelled, so again just go to the manager, clear the typo. Yes, it will take some minutes. We need to wait. Close this editor. Just again open command prompt. Go for Flutter Doctor. Just see. Yes, finally we did this. Okay, at last we need to copy this Flutter Doctor license and we need to paste here. Okay, click on enter and you need to give S for every license queries. S, 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 yeah, S. Finally, we have set it up our Flutter SDK without Android Studio. Yeah, just type for Flutter Doctor. We will get all the things with the green tick without Visual Studio. Okay, because we are not gonna make any Windows application, so we don't need this. Yeah, everything is good now. Just go to your Chrome and search for VS Code. The first link, you need to click on this first link, download. Windows. Within a few minutes, your application will get installed by double tapping here. This is our third step. The first step is to install Flutter SDK, the second step is to install Android SDK, and the last step is to install VS Code. If it is not installed, go to the location and double tap the VS Code setup. I accept this agreement. Click on next, click on next, click on next, and click on your checkboxes. Click on install. Last step is to finish, and here you will get our desktop icon for VS Code. Then here you will find extension. Okay, here you need to type Flutter and install the first one. This one is successfully installed. Okay, if we want to create our first Flutter application, we need to type Control Shift P, P for parrot. Okay, here you need to type Flutter new project, Flutter empty application, and where we want to store our application. Here I'm gonna create folder inside the documents. Right click it, choose this folder always. Okay, select this folder and name your project. This is your first application, right? So first app, and the name should be with small letters and underscores. The space and capital letters are not allowed. Within a few seconds, the whole template will get loaded on the left side. Why should we delete? So with the Flutter framework, we can generate iOS, Android, Linux, macOS, web and Windows. Okay, but in our course, we are going to create Android application, and in sometimes we can create iOS. Okay, the main question is where we run this application, in Android or website or Windows. Here you will find no devices. Click on this. Here you will find three options: Chrome, Edge and Windows. Okay, Chrome is available for run anytime. Windows is not, because we haven't set it anything in VS Visual Studio. So we need to choose Chrome and we can run our project initially. It's launching. It will take for some time because this is the first time, right? It's getting run. We are getting our first application in VS Code with Chrome option. Okay, but this is not necessary because we are going to run our application in Android platform. So we need to install any emulator from internet or from Android itself. I will let you know how to install Android emulator and other emulators from browser in very next video itself. Then congratulations guys, congratulations for successful installation on Flutter without Android Studio, and thank you for watching this video. I hope this particular video is helpful for you to install Flutter. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video.